Welcome to Nightcliff Middle in 2075. The school has four main buildings: the gym, the canteen, the main school, and the office. There are also three parking lots for staff. Each building has a rainwater collection system that purifies and stores water into three different drinking water tanks around the school. Once the clean water has been used, all the grey water is collected into the grey water tanks and is used for the toilets. School's electricity comes from an array of solar panels located on the roof of every building and is stored in batteries across the school. The outside of the school there is a playground with three swings, monkey bars, and a slide, a soccer field, a netball field, an AFL field, a basketball half court, and two handball courts on either side of the school. Inside the office there is a general reception and a student reception, as well as an assistant principal's office and the principal's office. Upstairs there is a dance room, a teleconference room, a screen room, and the drama room, which has three different storerooms connected to it. Inside the main school building, we have the R room, the science lab, the years 7, 8, and 9 lockers, the computer lab, a couple of other classrooms, a library, and a therapy room with four dogs. There's also a boy and a girl bathroom accessed via the outside. Canteen has benches for people to sit on as well as a hot mirror to the side. Moving on to the gym. There are two bathrooms either side of the entrance when you walk into the gym and a full-size basketball court in the main room alongside with a stage for assemblies. On the roofs of the gym and the main school, there are gardens to absorb the heat from the sun and lower the amount of money needed for air conditioning and reduce our carbon footprint on the environment. The gardens also provide a fresh supply of ingredients for the canteen, making the school meals almost free. Thank you for visiting our sustainable, new, eco friendly Nightcliff Middle School from 2075.